Saturday, July 6th, Lakeside, California at Lindo Lakes Park. The water level is going down. Migratory birds are still in here. There is 6 young ones total and 4 juveniles that are flying about already. Those are stilts that were born here at Lindo Lake, probably going on 8, 10, maybe 11 weeks ago. There was a nesting pair of blackneck stilts here. In this area, up until a couple days ago, they have abandoned the nest due to a raccoon raid. What you see there is broken eggshells. There are no new blackneck stilt chicks in the area. The two adults have abandoned the nest and they're off somewhere else on this lake. That was the stilt nest. There's the eggshells. And like I said, those are raccoon tracks there. There's a little bigger one over here, if I can point that out. Right there, as you can see the claw marks, that's a raccoon track. I believe the water level has become too low in here and allowed the predatory animal to come in here and destroy this nesting stilt. They had it on manual until it filled up to up here, then they put it on automatic. And according to Josh, the park ranger, he says water was not pumping in at a fast enough rate to keep the lake full, and they felt like they were going backwards. There are 2 pumps here on the property that could be utilized to bring the water level back up. Two of the 4 stilt chicks that are still rather small, as you will see. This pair over on this side only had 2 chicks. It's been like that from the start. And these are the other 4 blackneck stilts that were born approximately 4 to 6 weeks ago. It was being maintained at that level, with the pumps being run on manual 24/7 till it filled back up to there. Then they put it on automatic. I'm not sure how many hours it ran when it was on automatic, but obviously it wasn't enough. So now if this water dries up, these migratory birds, blackneck stilts, might have a little bit of trouble surviving from predators, dogs, people, cats, raccoons. The water is their safety zone and they're losing it fast.